Hello, we'll see how to load a website in an application. It is as simple as that. It is just some three lines of code and you'll see your website on your app. So we'll go ahead, create a new Xcode project and I'll give name as WebView Tuto. Next and create. In order to use an WebView, we'll have to load WK WebView, which is WebKit WebView. So we import WebKit and we'll remove the unwanted code. Well, I'll go to main.storyboard and quickly add a new WebKit view. I'll also add constraints which tells it should have say zero space from all the sites. Okay. So and I'll have to create an instance for this. So I'll select this and control, click and drag. Oh no, yeah, click and drag and I'll name it as web view. Done. I'll close this and then I'll go to the code. So here comes our three lines of simple code. First, I'll have to create an URL, which is the URL string, mainly the website which needs to get loaded. So I'll give https www.apple.com. Okay. And then we'll have to create an URL request. So this is necessary. We'll have to load the request with the URL. So go ahead and create URL request and with URL, whatever the URL I've created above. And then I just load this URL request into my web view. So I use this method load of URL request that lies in the above line. So we are all set. So, okay, this should be an explicitly made available. So okay, all set. I'll go ahead and run this. So I expect when my simulator launches and on load of this view, I should see this website being loaded. I can use any website here. I can give any URL basically. So we'll go and see what's happening in the simulator and I'll also open my console so that we see what exactly is happening. It is loading, I guess. We'll wait. hmm It might take some time because it is a huge page to get loaded. And so we have got it. Ta-da! So this is as simple as that. And um, website opening app in just three lines of code. You can go give any URL. I'll try with www.google.com. And I should also be able to search because it is ideally opening the website of www.google.com. So whatever I'll be able to do on this website, I should be able to do on this app too. Taking some time to load. Okay, I search iOS news. So yeah, everything works. So this is very simple tutorial on how we get working with WebView. Thank you.